Want to learn how to find Instagram filters and save it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this Your Story option with your profile picture on the top left corner. Here, you can see the following filters going on. You can swipe up from right to left to watch all of them and just scroll it to the end where you can get an option of magnifying glass. Tap on it so you can see that these are all of the effect gallery. These are the saved ones that I had saved before, and these are from the following. These are from the Reels, Instagram, Selfies, Love, Color and Light, and the list goes on for the categories. I'm going to show you one of these and tell you how to really save it. I'm going to choose one from Color and Light. You can choose of your own. Alright, so I want this saved. So you can see that save this effect to your camera for easy access. If you want to save it, you need to tap on this downward directed arrow inside a square box. Tap on it. You can see that just by doing it, it has been saved to camera, and that has just turned from downward directed arrow to a tick. If you want to try it, you can tap on try it on the bottom left corner and then try it for any of the other pictures just like this, and even you can save it or keep it in your story. So this is it, and you can see that you have just saved it. Now you can go back, and if you want to find them, you can always find them on the saved here on the top left corner. So that's it. You can see there is a filter that I saved before, and even you can get it in your camera as well. You can go back and you will automatically get this filter on story option automatically. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.